الحمدللہ رب العالمین والصلاة والسلام علی سید الانبیاء والمرسلین وعلی آلہ وصحبہ اجمعین اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم پڑھی الصلاۃ والسلام علیک یا رسول اللہ وعلی آلک واصحابک یا حبیب اللہ صلی اللہ تعالیٰ علیہ وآلہ وسلم۔ سورہ السجدہ آیت نمبر 22 to 30۔ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْفَتْحُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ And they say, when will this victory take place if you are truthful? Commentary of this verse: the infidels were asking, will Allah Almighty decide between the believers and the polytheists? Would the believers be given victory over them? So when would this victory be granted? This question was being asked by the polytheists for the sake of jest and amusement. The above matter is mentioned in this verse. قُلْ يَوْمَ الْفَتْحِ لَا يَنْفَعُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِيمَانُهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُنْصَرُونَ. Please declare on the day of victory the faithfulness of the infidels shall not benefit them, and nor will they get time. Commentary of this verse: if by victory is taken to be the conquest of Mecca, then from this issue we understand that if the infidels at the specific time of slaying declare faith to protect their lives, then this faith of theirs will not be accepted. Instead, such a person would be put to the sword, just as faith after seeing divine punishment is not reliable. Thus, on the day of the conquest of Mecca, when the people of Canaan tried to escape, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid surrounded them. They began to express faith in Islam, but Hazrat Khalid bin Walid did not accept their declaration of faith in this condition and put them to death. Tafsir Jamal and Khazain. But if by day of victory is meant the day of judgment, then the meaning of the verse is apparent, that on this day all the infidels will bring faith, but it would not be accepted. From this verse we understand that if any infidel and the state of war and in captivity declares faith to deceive the believers, then this faith of his is pure dissipation and will not be accepted. In fact, to slay such people is permissible. Example: during war, an infidel tries to escape, but when he is arrested, he recites the kalima too. فَأَعْرِضْ عَنْهُمْ وَانْتَظِرْ إِنَّهُمْ مُنْتَظِرُونَ. Therefore turn away from them and wait, undoubtedly they are also waiting. Commentary of this verse: do not wage holy war on them. Thus this order is abrogated from the verses of jihad, or if it is meaning is taken to be, do not turn to them with friendship, then this verse is accepted as firm. Even today it becomes the duty of the believers not to reply to the absurdity of the infidels with absurdity. May Allah give us more knowledge. May Allah give us grant love of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. May Allah give us more knowledge, sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Ameen. بجاہ النبی الامین صلی اللہ تعالیٰ علیہ وآلہ وسلم.